Okay, so we're now under an underpass because it is hailing like no other. Where are we at right now?
Wyoming.
We have cars pulled over under it.
Chappelle, Wyoming.
You can see kind of the size of it. Maybe like nickels, maybe the size of dime. A lot of them are big. There's a rainbow right there. It's kind of hard to see a little bit. But it looks like rain. It is coming down so thick. These trucks, I don't know what they're doing. Crazy though. These guys aren't slowing down. There's the rainbow.
I think it'd be kind of cool to see some glitches. I mean, that's cool. Yeah.
It is just raining hell. And now I think it stopped hailing and it's just raining. So there's a pretty rainbow. I gotta get that. And now it's thundering. That's my life. All right.
Josh got a tumbleweed on his leg.
I got a tumbleweed on my leg. I caught my first tumbleweed outside the car.
There's our nice guy from Ohio. He talked.
Pretty sure this is...
He wants to go swimming, but it feels like it's 68 outside, so the water's probably like 30.
In the water.
The water's 30. Out here it's probably like 65.
I don't want to jump in.
6 feet.
I know, that'd be brutal, wouldn't it?
I'd probably just lightly dive in. Joking. Cannonball, perfect.
Yeah, great. My arms bust on the ground. It's so cold. It's one of the coldest waters I've ever been in, but as I've learned from Bear Grylls, you don't freak out. You just continue to stay submerged in the water, which is what I'm going to do.
Oh, Bear Grylls. He always knows what to do. Well, this is Josh swimming in the coldest pool in Wyoming. Hope it was worth it, bud.
It's freezing. Just film it.
Alright. Oh, you're ice cold. Ice cold.
It's not that bad. And now, that's okay.
Well, I'm cold and I'm not even in the water, so I'm gonna go back in.
Alright.
Have fun.
See you, buddy.
Hey.